From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Eve's Stories. Thank you for joining us today. Yes, it's been long, but I'm back, and today I'll be showcasing apartments in Equity. Enjoy the video and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemies will think that.
Equity is a stage before seasons from Roysambu, that is in Kasarani.
You will overcome, no, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul rise.
In each floor there are 3 houses, 2 bedrooms and one bedroom. So the 1 bedroom are in the middle, then the 2 bedroom are at the corners. So let's begin with this 2 bedroom house.
Yeah, I know everything will be alright. It don't matter what we say, it don't matter how we make things right. Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright.
So the 2 bedroom has separate washroom, that is the toilet and the bathroom are separate, they're not combined.
It don't matter what we say.
So it's not yet completed, so I'm not sure which one is going to be the bathroom and which one is going to be the toilet.
No matter what we say, it don't matter.
And as you can see, the sitting room is big. So next, let's go to the kitchen area, which is connected to the balcony. So this is the view of Equity. This is the view of Equity. This 2 bedroom house has enough storage in the kitchen with enough kitchen cabinets. So you can see all of these is for your kitchen, and then there is more at the bottom. I love the doors that have been used on the entire building. Just look at it. Yeah, so there is enough storage for your stuff in the kitchen, and also the kitchen is not tiny.
It don't matter where we go, it don't matter where we stay tonight. Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. It don't matter what we say.
This is the only one that is not enclosed.
Things right. Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know.
So I'm not sure if this is going to be the bathroom or the toilet.
It don't matter what we say, it don't matter how we make things right. Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright.
Now let's look at the first bedroom.
It don't matter where we,
So this is how the first bedroom looks like,
it don't matter where we stay tonight.
and this is how the second bedroom looks like.
It don't matter where we go, it don't matter where we stay tonight. Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know.
Kitchen, this is the kitchen, this is the living room. Now you can see the space in it.
It don't matter how we make things right. Cause when I'm with you, yeah.
Next, I'm going to show you a 1 bedroom house. So as I had said, the 2 bedrooms are found at the corners, then the 1 bedroom is at the middle. This is the 1 bedroom, the living room of the one bedroom. The first one bedroom I'll be looking at.
From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire.
So this is the bedroom of the first one bedroom house I'll be showcasing. It's big, it's spacious.
From the darkness to the light, I feel alive.
And the one bedroom house has a combined washroom and bathroom. It's different from the two bedroom. Two bedroom has separate.
Destiny will.
So the fittings have not yet been completed.
I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness.
This is the spacious sitting room. Then the balcony directly opposite the kitchen. So all the houses in the building, in the whole building, have a balcony from the one bedroom to two bedroom.
Born to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like
So let's go to the second two bedroom at the corner. Yeah. So the first thing we are going to look at is this living area.
not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in.
I love the choice of color of the ceiling board and the walls. So next, let's look at this kitchen area. So there is no much big difference between this kitchen and the other kitchen. You can see the house is located just next to the stage. That is the stage. So this is the balcony of the second two bedroom.
The night I will survive. Oh, I will survive.
So if you compare the kitchen cabinets, there is a very slight difference which you can only notice if you're very keen.
Burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, all the pain, all the hurt, all the lessons I have learned. I am strong.
The first bedroom, then the second bedroom. So this one is the one that is much bigger than the other one.
Now I won't let me.
And the wardrobes of this house are sliding door wardrobe.
One, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die.
Yeah, they're sliding doors. So
Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh,
so this is the first bedroom.
I am stronger now. I won't let me down. Oh, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay.
This is the kitchen.
Overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like
Kitchen area or kitchen.
my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire burning.
This is the second bedroom. As you can see, it has more light than the first bedroom.
You will overcome. No, I am not afraid.
Comparing them, and also has like larger windows. and this is the living area. So that is the end of the floor. 2 2-bedroom at the corners and 1 1-bedroom at the middle.
I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive.
Yeah, so this is the 1-bedroom that is found in the middle.
Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise.
And let me just go through it for the last time before we can go to the next floor.
To the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire, burning bright. I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive.
There is a similarity in the bedroom of the 1-bedroom and the 2-bedroom. They both have the same kind of wardrobe.
It don't matter where we go, it don't matter where we stay tonight. Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. It don't matter what we say, it don't matter how we make things right. Cause when I'm with you,
Yeah, that's what I mean by same kind of wardrobe.
cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. It don't matter what we say, it don't matter how we make things right. Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. It don't matter what we say, it don't matter how we make things right. Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright.
Let's look at the space of the combined washroom of this 1-bedroom. So this is the space inside it.
No matter where we go, it don't matter where we stay tonight. Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright.
And this is the balcony of the 1-bedroom house.
It don't matter how
Yeah, so next let's go to a different floor
we make things right.
and see the houses on that floor, on a different floor, and just compare the differences between the two.
From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I am here to stay. Destiny will overcome, no, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive.
So if you compare between the two 1-bedrooms, let's start with the kitchen. There is not much difference between the kitchen. I think there is no difference between these rooms. They've been constructed exactly the same from top to the bottom. So this kitchen is the same kitchen in all the 1-bedrooms in this apartment. Also the bedroom,
From the dust
this bedroom is the same in all the 1-bedrooms. All the 1-bedrooms, all the bedrooms in the 1-bedroom look like this.
in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but
And also the combined washroom, all of them look like this. All the 1-bedrooms combined washroom look like this.
enemies will think they won, but I am here to stay. Destiny will overcome, no, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise.
Balconies are also the same, and the living area is also the same. You can see the space, the size, everything is similar
I'm a
in all the floors.
fire, bright, I'll never die.
Now this is the 2-bedroom.
Will survive. Oh, I will survive.
And if I go to the next floor, also the 2-bedroom is similar. So this is the first corner. You see the sitting room is the same.
From the dust
The kitchen is similar.
to the dirt, I shall return. When my
The design and everything in the kitchen is similar. So when you go to the bedroom, you see also the window of this bedroom is similar to all the windows of the bedroom on this side. And this main bedroom, you see also the windows, the lighting, the design, the interior, everything is similar. Also the location of the washroom.
from the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I am here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive.
So I've gone to 3 floors, and all the floors I've gone to, you see the houses are similar. All the floors, the first, I've gone to the second, third, and the 4th floor. All of them have similar rooms.
Shadows, my enemies.
And that is it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and hit the subscription button if you haven't yet subscribed. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.
From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed in the shadows, my enemies